Welcome to IMTS Show 2024. My name is Alexander Zoller and I'm the president of ZOLLER. It's all about how can I produce more parts in a shorter amount of time for less cost and higher quality. And we from ZOLLER, we can help our customers doing exactly that. Our goal number one is to make sure that our customers are successful. With our 7 solutions, we basically make sure that our customers can produce more parts in a shorter amount of time for higher quality and less cost. And this also fully automated. And customers in the manufacturing industry, they can start with an entry type presetter, for example. They can start with entry tool management solutions that we are providing. And then they can grow with our 7 solutions. Tools need to be measured, tool needs to be preset. And in the past, an operator had to basically build the tools and then go to the preset and measure the tools. And now with our new Cora Measure LG, the system will do it automatically. So the operator can basically load a pallet full of tools. He will move it into the Cora Measure LG and the tools are measured automatically. And the person in the tool room can now do other very important jobs. Every customer basically that has a tool room, that has a presetter is an ideal customer for this solution because we are all facing the same challenges. We are facing labor shortage and this is the solution for it. We are now next year 80 years in business. 7 solutions, they were built up during the history of ZOLLER. Listening to our customers, listening what they are needing and listening what is important to them. Supporting our customers, this is why we get up in the morning, because we have always our customer in focus. Always, what can we do in order to help our customer driving forward? We talk about 7 ZOLLER solutions, so please come and visit us and learn about what are those 7 solutions.